Hi, I am coming from Corner and Shop Technology, UK20CS3007. In this video, we are going to see about the write a C program to demonstrate the fork, weight, and sleep system calls. Find and display the sum of n even numbers in child process and display the sum of n odd numbers in the parent process. We want to give the input as number of range to how to number 1 to n number of range. So first we check out the code. In this first we are including that base conditions of include studio.h and studio and unistate.h to perform the operation. We are using the void display function of int range and pit underscore tf. Int will be the three variables of I even is equal to 0 and odd is equal to 0. Int will be the range and the if condition to f is greater than or 0. If the f is greater than 0, it will be giving then waste statement that parent will be processed. After that, for loop I equal to 1 and I is greater than or equal to 1, I will be incremented by the 2 because if 2 means it will be adding that odd numbers, adding the odd numbers, and the sleep it will be displaying sleep operation to delay of the parent process. After that, if the parent process, if f is greater than or 0 means it operation will be running as a parent process. If it is not, if the condition is fail, it will be else the print child process will be iterate from I equal to 2. 2 means 2 will be incremented by 2, so it will be giving the even number and adding for even plus equal to I means even is equal to even plus I. Iterating of numbers will be adding to the even, so it will be displaying the sum of all even numbers and sum of odd numbers in this. After that, we are going to we want to get an input from the user up to the range, and we want to give them display of range and the f means print that, give escape and double aq, it will be saved. If we run this program, if I give up to 20, the child process will be the delay of wait and the sleep condition, and the process will be sleep. So if I give 20, the number will be 1 to 20 will be adding all even numbers should be 110, and all uh, odd numbers will be 100. Okay, next code. In this first we are going to see about write the CF program to show the current data using fork and to execute the function to system calls, also display the process of ID of the parent and child using get bit. So first we are using the basic condition and we are entering to the int main, and the parent ID's information for the fork will be contain the child process. If fork equal to 0, if the condition is satisfied, it will be entered into the statements printf child process in the running time. After that, it will be printf and child process ID will be print, and the printf my parent ID will be get bit. If I executed the data, it will be if we giving the instance software, it will be printing the date, but in this the date is not printed, so it printf this line is not to be executed. After that, if the f equal to is not equal to 0, it will be wait for null, and the printf child process is executed. Let's run the program and see the output. Up to the range to 10, the child process will, oh, I giving another. Now the child process of ID will be 20079 and the parent ID will be 2009778, and this will be not executed due to the software problems, so this the date is not displayed. After that we are going to the third problem. This In this problem, we want to open an existing file and display the first 10 bits of the file, skip 15 bits of the display the file contents, append another new 10 bytes to find the end of the file and display the entered file, and want to perform the operation of open, read, write, else, seek and uh, close to perform the operation to be. First we want to start with the int main and into the variables will be n and f, and we want to give an array in the buffer array by using the buffer. F is equal to open the content of the file to open the, and n will be the read from the file and displaying this output form. And if you want to write, means you want to write that after that it will be performed. After the LC method will be to read the buffer size of buffer minus 1, and the printf will be the file content will be printed. After that the LC will be up to the 10 bits to be performed, otherwise that remaining elements will be uh, come to the last, and it will be there is no command like this. So we will using the lseek command, and want to give the commands to the whole content of the file will be 1 comma buffer. First we want to create a file, content.txt. In this content.txt I will put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and child. Now we run the program in this your program. Output will be 0 1 2 3. If I give any file content, it is displaying that 0 1 2 3, and the display of 10 bits will be LF will be not included, only the file content will be uh, file content only take 10 bits, so LF is the command is not found, so the output is verified successfully for all the programs. Okay, thank you.